a small video on our cooktop products. I would show you how to resolve yellow flames in our cooktops. The three disadvantages of yellow flames are: number one, inefficient heating; number two, formation of soot at the bottom of the vessel; number three, high consumption of gas. Now we are showing you the cooktop with a yellow flame. You can see this burner is having a yellow flame and this burner is having a blue flame. Now we are showing you the vessel. There is no soot formation and it is perfectly okay as it is a blue flame. Now the same vessel we are going to keep on the yellow flame burner. Within few seconds you can see the vessel is getting black. Can you see the vessel is getting black and soot formation is taking place. This is the mixing tube where both air and LPG gas flow through before combustion. Here is the venturi hole. This is where the actual mixing of the air and LPG takes place. If there is any blockage in the mixing tube, the combustion process won't happen properly, which can result in yellow flame. But when the mixing of the air and the LPG is just right, you will get a perfect blue flame. Use proper tools. Use 7 mm tubular spanner to remove the nuts which is attached to the stiffener. Tilt the stove. Remove the 3 screws which is attached to the mixing tube and the stiffener. Remove the mixing tube out. Now let us show you 2 simple methods to clean the mixing tube. Method 1. Now we are cleaning the mixing tube with a thin brush. As we clean it, we can see the carbon coming out of the mixing tube. The dust particles and the carbon formation sediments which are already inside the mixing tube coming out. This is the reason we were getting yellow flame. Method 2. In some scenarios, you find the mixing tube in this condition, full of sediment formation, carbon formation, and this is one of the reasons why you get yellow flame. Venturi hole, the air mixes, and through the main pipe, the gas flows. So always ensure the main pipe and the mixing tube is always clean. So now we show you the cleaning method. Clean it thoroughly. You can see the carbon sediments falling down from the mixing tube. Thorough cleaning has to be done. Pour water. It can be cleaned through the running tap water. Clean it thoroughly. As the cleaning is done through the running tap water, now we are wiping it with a cloth for the dryness. Wipe it with a clean cloth or just keep it under the fan for 2 minutes. Now this avoids the yellow flame. Once the mixing tube is thoroughly cleaned, you can fix it back. Now we're fixing back the mixing tube. Tighten the mixing tube with the 3 screws. Fix back the dip tray. Tighten the dip tray using tubular spanner. The 2 nuts should be tightened. Cooktop again. As the mixing tube and the jet cleaning is done, now we are showing you the yellow flame test. The flame is perfect. After the cleaning is done, the flame is perfect. It's a blue flame which is coming. And earlier, the vessel used to get black. soot formation was there. Now you can see there is no soot formation at all. Still we are keeping it again. There is no soot formation and the flame is blue. Yeah, so the problem is solved. For any more assistance, you can call back on our customer care 6364 914 202. Thank you.